Welcome to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, I'm back again as usual with another interesting monsoon delicacy, and today it is the fruit, the mashmelon or the chibud or the chibud as you may call it in different parts of Goa. Important thing about the mashmelon is that this mashmelon is an indigenous or the native fruit of Goa, and it's grown only in Goa. It has the fragrance of a musk melon, but it has a softer and a juicier flesh, and it tastes great in whatever way you have it. Just cut it into, slice it and have it, but it tastes great when you make it into a dessert. So today I will show you an interesting dessert of this mashmelon. Here I have a mashmelon. You can see that it has got all cuts all over. This is because I had let it get ripe well. So if you buy a mashmelon which has got these cuts, then you be rest assured that it's going to be a very sweet one. So before buying, please do check and buy. Now cut the mashmelon into half and then quarters, and then scoop out the seeds of the mashmelon. Make sure you scoop out all the seeds of the mashmelon. But I want to tell you that mashmelon seeds are eaten. You get peeled mashmelon seeds which you can eat. Friends, as you watch this video, please don't forget to like, share and do comment to my video. And if you are new to my channel who has not subscribed my channel as yet, please do subscribe now. Press on the bell icon for notification of my new videos as well. And you know friends, the fragrance of a very ripe mashmelon is so soothing to the soul that I just love sniffing the mashmelon as I do this. Now you see that my mashmelon is quite ripe. That's why the skin is just spilling off. If yours doesn't come this way, then you might need to peel it off with a knife or so. See, my mashmelon is quite very ripe and soft. I had kept it so that it becomes this ripe. Now do the same with the remaining mashmelon. Now this all depends upon the quantity of how much you want. This is a very unique dessert. It is not innovated by me, but it is quite common in many parts of Goa. And this recipe of the mashmelon is called as Chibudache Rasayan. Now what you need to do is cut the strips of the mashmelon, then cut it into smaller pieces. Mashmelon in Goa is called by different names. Some call it chibud, some call it moge, some call it mola. Whatever you call it, please enjoy the mashmelon. When in season, please eat mashmelon as many times as you can because it is very healthy too. Transfer into a bowl and then add sugar. Now sugar is as per your taste, how much you like to add sugar. Remember that the mashmelon is already very sweet, so do not add much sugar. Add sugar, mix well and keep aside. Now here I have half cup of beaten rice or the poha or the pho. Now what you need to do is just wash with clean water this poha. Add little salt while washing. Wash them quickly. Do not let them get soaked for long. And add to the sugar and mashmelon mixture. Mix it well so that all the three ingredients get combined well. Now here I have a very interesting ingredient for this mashmelon rasayan is thick coconut juice, not milk. This is thick coconut milk. Now if you add milk, there are chances that it can get curdled. So make sure you use either canned coconut milk or better fresh thick coconut milk extracted, and add a little of cardamom powder while you are extracting, or you can add later as well. Now mix half of it first and then mix, and you see you might find that it is quite runny kind of, but after 5 minutes or so the poha or the foam will absorb this milk, and you have a very quick, easy, delicious Mashmelon dessert. Friends, please do try this Mashmelon Rosayan recipe or the Mashmelon dessert when the mashmelons are in season, and do enjoy this monsoon delicacy. And as you enjoy, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Melita's Delicacies. Thank you for watching, and keep cooking, keep watching Melita's Delicacies.